frillback pigeons are one of the most unique breeds of ornamental pigeons in the world. Known for its curly or wavy plumage, it is the result of a long selective breeding process from the same ancestor as the common wild pigeon, the rock dove, Columba livia. Let's trace the history and origin of this pigeon. Although the exact record is not perfectly written, this ancient race is believed to have originated in the region of Asia Minor, now the Turkish region. Through interbreeding and breeding over the years, humans managed to form a genetic mutation that makes the strands of this bird's feathers curl and resemble curls. Next, we discuss the main physical characteristics. The main peculiarities of the frillback lie in its feathers. These attractions include 1. Curls on wings. The shield part of the wing has feathers with completeness or curls, called frills. 2. Feather feet muff. Their feet are also ideally decorated with curly feathers at the ends of the ankles. 3. Size and posture. They have slightly slimmer and longer bodies than pigeons in general, with well-proportioned tails and wings. The next interesting thing about the ability to fly, although the shape of the feathers looks fragile, frillback is a bird that has a good ability to fly. However, due to the weight and shape of the feathers, they prefer to walk on the ground or perch instead of flying long distances. Next, on the relationship with the history of evolution. Just like other types of ornamental pigeons, the journey of frillback as physical form is an interesting case study in genetics.